Welcome to Phone Transformer, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into how to add starred contacts on your Android device. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest guides and tips. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Contacts apps. Step 2. Next, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. Give it a tap to start finding the contact you wish to mark as a favorite. Step 3. Now, type in the name of the contact you're looking to star. As you search, the contact's name will appear in the search results. Step 4. Once you see the contact you want to star, select their name to view their details. Step 5. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a star icon. This little star is your ticket to marking someone as a priority contact. Step 6. To finish up, simply tap on the star icon. It will turn a bright yellow, signifying that the contact is now starred and easily accessible. Congratulations! You've just learned how to add starred contacts in Android. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.